Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths chapter 3 exercise 3.13 first question, that is solve the equation by cross multiplication method. Solve the equation by cross multiplication method. So already so far we have learned in the previous exercise, that is one is eliminated method and another one is substitution method. Now we are going to see how to solve this equation by cross multiplication method. So first we have to write 8x minus 3y. This constant should be in the left hand side. So minus 12 is equal to 0. And 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. First you have to change like this. After that, you have to take the coefficient as, we will write the coefficient for the cross multiplication method like B, B1, C1, A1, B1. B1, A1, sorry, B1, C1, A1, B1. And here B2, C2, A2, B2. And here we have to take it as for, that is x, y and constant term. So now we have to take the coefficient B. A is the coefficient of x, B is the coefficient of y and C is the constant term. According to this we have to take it as the constant term. First one is minus 3, another one is minus 12, 8 and again minus 3. And next one minus 2, minus 7 and 5 and minus 2, and this is for x and this is for y and this is for constant term. Cross multiplication, if we cross multiply x divided by, we have to take it as the method of x divided by. Let us see how to cross multiply. So according to this we have to take x divided by, that is cross multiply. 7 3s are 21, minus of minus plus only. Here minus symbol and minus of minus plus, 12 2s are 24. So 21 minus 24. So that is equal to y divided by, another one is here you have to cross multiply for y term. So minus of minus plus. So 12 5s are 60 and again minus here and 7 8s are 56. Here one minus is there, so put plus 56. So that is equal to 1 divided by, another one for cross multiplication. We will take 8 2s are 16, so minus 16, minus is here. So minus of minus plus, 5 3s are 15, so minus 15 only. So that is equal to, we have to simplify this one. We will get here 8 minus 3. So 5 3s are 15 only. So minus 16 minus 15. Next one we will get 60 minus 60 plus 66. Let us see the minus 3 and here minus 12 and 8 minus 3. Another one is minus 2 minus 7. And here plus 5 only, not so plus 5 means what is in the y value? Y divided by 12 5s are minus 60 here, not plus, minus 50 here plus 50. So here minus of minus plus 56 and constant term minus 16. Here minus, already one minus is there. See here minus 15, so plus 50. So x divided by 21 minus 24 minus 3 is equal to y divided by minus 60 plus 56. We will get minus 4 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. Now we have to compare this x term and constant and y term to the constant. Let us see how to do this sum. Next one is x minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Cross multiply, minus x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3. So the value of x is 3. Next we have to compare y by minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Cross multiply minus y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to 4. So what are the values of x and y? That is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. The next question is 6x plus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. 5x plus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. First, already here the constant term is in the left hand side only. So no need to change this equation. Now we have to take it as, that is, first one is minus b1, c1, a1, b1. Like that we have to take. So again b2, c2, a2, b2. Now first one is 7, another one is minus 11, 6, again 7. And then next one we have to take the next one, 2, 5, minus 13, 5. So let us consider this is x for these two products and this one is for y and this is constant. So cross multiply first one, x divided by 7 5s are 35. So next one is minus, already minus symbol. So minus here, minus 11 into 2, so plus 22 is equal to y divided by, again cross multiply these two, minus of minus plus only, plus 11 into 13. So minus of minus plus, so 11 into 13 we will get here 2. Sorry, here 2 and minus 13 is here. So put 13 here and again here 5 and again 2. Sorry. So 7 minus 11, 6, 7 and here 2, 30, minus 13 and 5 and here 2. So now multiply 13 into 7 we will get, that is 13 into minus 7 we will get minus 91. Minus 91 and minus of minus plus 22 and here y divided by, we will take that here 5 is there, 11 minus 55 and already minus 1 minus is there, so here minus, so plus 13 into 6, 78. Can you understand, students? So take it correctly, that is b2 is, here b2 is 2 and here constant term 13, minus 13 and 5 and again 2. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Next one is, we have to take it as 1 by, that is cross multiply, that is equal to 1 divided by, that is 6 2s are 12, again minus 35. So 20 minus 23. So okay. So compare to x term to the constant term. Let us see how to compare this one. So x divided by minus 91 plus 22 we will get minus 69 is equal to y divided by minus 55 plus 73, that is 78 minus 55 we will get 23. So plus 23. So that is equal to here 1 by minus 23. Now compare this one, x by minus 69 is equal to 1 by minus 23. Cross multiplication we will get, that is minus 23, x is equal to 69 divided by, here minus minus cancel, so x is equal to, this goes into the numerator, 69 divided by 23 and cancel this one we will get, that is 3. 3 times if we multiply we will get 3. So x is equal to 3 and y by 23 is equal to 1 by minus 23. This goes into the numerator, we will get y is equal to minus 1. So what is the answer for x? That is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.